Alright, what's up guys, and today we're going to be installing a new exhaust, finally. I thought it was going to come in Monday, came in way earlier, so I'm kind of backed up on the videos. I have one more. I cut the exhaust right here, because I don't know, I just did that for no reason. I wanted to see what would happen. And I don't think it really works, because you kind of need back pressure, so I'm going to take this off. I'm not too sure how to install the new exhaust, to be honest with you. No clue how, but I guess we'll figure it out. I saw one YouTube video and it was not helpful. Like, I couldn't even see the footage. So here's one. This bolt's really annoying. So this is the old one. It's basically just a pipe curved. I thought it would be way louder, but it's not that loud as I thought. Just take this gasket out. Take this. For some reason they put paint in there, so it actually looks pretty cool. Alright, now I take the bolts. Alright, well, we're only gonna put the lock washers on, because the other one won't fit. If I ever get another bike like this in the future, I'm buying a whole new frame. Like the one with the gas tank built in. I mean, I could do it to this, but there's like nothing. So like, and it is hot out today. To strip that. Okay, it just fell off. Alright, that's on good. So I don't know what to do with these. I know they're for these, but I don't know what to, like, how to put these on. Like, do they bend? Yeah, they do bend. But like, I think it's on pretty good. I mean, it's about to hit this, so I think it's fine. I'll just take like a coat hanger and like the metal ones, and I'll just take it apart, cut it to size, and just wrap it around here. Because like, I don't think it's going anywhere. And it doesn't hit. Let's go. Like when the stock exhaust would always hit. So alright, I guess now we could just try it. So yeah. Alright, I switched to my phone, so I'm gonna put it down there, and let's see if we can get some sound testing. And I kind of broke the sprocket, like not this sprocket, on the other side. Let's see if you guys can see it. Like right there, it kind of broke off, so I don't really have a chain, so I have to kind of roll it with my foot. So it takes me a little while to start the bike. That's why. All right, here we go. I just have to watch out so I don't burn my leg. It's pretty loud. I think I just can't hear it because it's behind me, but I like it so far. So